Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this After Effects tutorial, I'll show you how to create a dynamic split text animation like shown on screen. First, create a new composition and name it Render. And under presets, I'm choosing Social Media Square 30 FPS. And I'm gonna set the duration to 8 seconds and keep the background color at black. Feel free to do the same or choose whatever composition works best for your project. Then press OK. Next, add a text layer and type in your desired text. For this tutorial, I'm using the pitch font set to black from Adobe Fonts, with the text size set to 355 and the text color set to white. Next, we'll need to align our text. So go up here and align your text. If you cannot see the Align tool, go to Windows and turn on Align. If you turned on cap locks for your text, you'll need to turn it off to be able to see your text again. So next, with the text layer selected, go to Effects and Presets. If you cannot see Effects and Presets, go up to Window and ensure you have Effects and Presets turned on. And inside Effects and Presets, search for the Split effect. And double click to apply the split effect to your text layer. Now, following on, increase the split amount to around 50. Next, change where the split starts from on both the left and right sides to your liking. To do this, adjust the X values on both point A and point B. I'm going to decrease the X value on point A to around 95, so the text opens at the beginning of the word, and increase the X value on point B to around 985. So 985. So the text opens right at the end of the word. Then decrease the split amount back to 0. Then move your playhead to around 25 frames. You may need to zoom in so you can see your frames better. So 25 frames. And at 25 frames, press the stopwatch next to split to add a keyframe. Next, move the playhead to around 5 seconds. You may need to zoom out now to see 5 seconds. So move the playhead the whole way along to around 5 seconds and increase the split amount to your liking. I'm going to increase mine to around 113 and press enter. That looks cool. Excellent. So now move your playhead along to around 7.5 seconds and decrease the split amount back down to 0. So now if you play this back, you'll see your text opens and closes. To improve this animation, adjust the speed of your keyframes. So with the text layer selected, press U to bring up your keyframes and highlight all your keyframes and press F9 to ease them. Following on, open the graph editor. The graph editor is here. If your graph looks different, right click to ensure you have Edit Speed Graph turned on. Then click on the first frame to bring up the keyframe handles and move the handles like shown. Do the same for all your keyframes so the graph looks similar to the one shown on screen. So now, if you play this back, you'll notice your animation moves a lot smoother. And there you have it. You successfully created a dynamic split text animation in After Effects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.